If you are a passenger in a vehicle that unluckily gets pulled over, you never have to show your identification to the police. Here's some examples to show you just how to say no. Never fall for their tricks.
What's that?
The stop is right here with him. I'm the passenger.
Yeah, you have to give me your ID for the passenger.
For what law?
You have to give me your ID.
What law was that?
You have to give me your ID if you're a passenger.
What law is it?
There's case law on that.
Okay. You want to take me to jail for it?
I'm telling you, just give me your ID.
I'm not going to give it to you.
Okay, get out of the car.
Mama. You're going to arrest me for not IDing as a passenger?
Are you going to refuse to identify yourself?
Yes.
You're refusing to identify yourself? Okay, turn on.
Hey, you live here to the car. I advise about that video.
What's your name? You want to start fresh? I'll tell you my name. You give me your name and your badge number, and I'll give you my name.
It's very 46070.
Yeah.
And I'm going to tell you why I did what I did, okay?
I'd love to hear.
Okay, this is a vehicle that matches the description of a felony vehicle, okay, that we've been looking for the last week, okay? I tell you to identify yourself, you refuse. So I step out.
Is it law?
Listen.
Is it law?
Listen, I was conducting investigation, so I could meet with my partner. Listen. I talked to my partner to see if this is the vehicle that we're looking for.
And it's not.
It's slightly different, so I uncooked. That's what
like a man. Give me your hand.
Okay, it's not about me
I'm
trying
not
to.
I'm not going to give you my name.
I don't need your name anymore because now I know.
What you asked me for.
Right, but now I know.
And you handcuffed me for it.
I'm sorry.
You do know you're going to get sued, dude. I appreciate
you. Dispelled my suspicions, and that's.
I appreciate you.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. I'm a struggling construction worker, dude.
Okay.
And this money is gonna come great from the city. I love you, dude.
Okay.
What's your name again?
Echeverry.
Echeverry. Can you mind?
Yeah, go ahead.
What was your badge number?
46070.
4670.
No.
For the record.
No, that's wrong. 46070.
46070. He's very courteous now.
Yeah.
But not when you pulled me out of the car.
I was courteous from the beginning.
By pulling me out of the car?
I dispel my suspicion to see if.
But pulling me out of the car? What? Finding out who I am. What is it gonna do for your vehicle? The vehicle doesn't match the description.
I have to investigate that first.
So what does it have to do with me? Bro, I'm a hard-working man. I love you guys.
No, I believe
I'm a strong believer in you guys.
Yeah, okay.
My best friend is a fucking sergeant. And I'm gonna call him right now, dude.
Yeah, that's great. You can call him.
It's gonna suck for you.
Okay.
And you took an oath.
Yeah, I did.
Did you? Did you swear to it?
Yeah, I did.
You watch TikTok?
No, I don't have TikTok.
You should check it out. It saves your ass, dude. Because now your qualified immunity is gone. And your badge, stripped.
That's your opinion.
It's not. It's going to be the judges. And can I have a business card? We don't have business cards.
You write congressman and tell them that we should have business cards.
We should, huh? Hey, sir. Officer, I need your name and badge number. Oh, look, he's going to give me a business card? No. I thought you had a business card for me. Damn, dude. No business cards. Miami-Dade doesn't have business cards. Oh, my fault. Yeah.
Gonzalez, 46049.
Gonzalez, you mind? 4609? You're very courteous.
You got it wrong.
It doesn't matter. It's on the record. I'm Gucci, dude. Hey, remember me. Remember me, please. I love you guys. You're the best. Dude, you guys are the best.
I really hope that passenger can find somebody to help him sue that officer. In our next example, we have another passenger that knows the law and another officer that's going to lie about
You
it.
have a driver's ID?
What do I have to give it to you?
I'm asking, you have an ID on you, yes or no?
No, I don't.
Okay. Matter you step out of the
You're not allowed to open this door either. You ever reach into this car? Get off my shoulder.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to reach into this car.
Don't.
That's illegal. I'm not with you, and there's no reason for you to curse at me.
Listen, I asked for your ID. Do you
And
have
I
ID
said
on
I
you?
don't have ID, and I'm not giving you any, even if I did.
Huh?
I said I'm not giving it to you, even if I did. You have no reason to stop me. I'm a passenger in a car.
You don't have your seatbelt on.
I don't have my seatbelt on because I took it off.
No,
And
you
pulled it.
didn't.
So why are you going
Look,
to tell
there's
me?
no tint in this car. I can
There's
see.
no tent. That means I can't do this. I have to
Okay.
go out. You pulling us over. I wonder why. We in here talking about Jesus.
Okay. So
You
you're making
flash behind
things
him.
extremely difficult.
I'm not making things extremely difficult.
are.
I'm making things extremely
Do you have an
constitutional.
ID, yes or no?
That's what I'm making.
What are you talking about constitutional?
I'm making it
You're
constitutional.
in a vehicle that was
I'm in a
legally
vehicle
stopped.
that was legally
Okay.
stopped. And
So,
you're trying to say just
right
because you
off
didn't
the
see me
bat-
you didn't see me with a seatbelt on.
Right off the bat, that's enough to get you ID.
No, that's not enough to get me because I'm not driving the car.
It is.
No, it is
So,
not.
do you have
Go
ID
give me a
on
supervisor,
you?
please. Give me a supervisor, please.
No, we're not getting you.
Yes, you're getting. So you're not asking me.
So,
I asked 3 times already.
Yeah. So if it,
Can I have a supervisor?
I'll make sure it's safe for my supervisor.
Why are you not? Well, so what? That's not who I am. Is not making
Do you
anything
have any
safe.
ID on you? Yes or no?
Why?
Because I'm asking you.
No, I do not.
No?
Nope, I don't.
All right. Do me a favor. Step out of the car.
Why am I stepping out of the car?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car. Any weapon?
Plastic. You want to give him whatever you do?
Step out of the car. Put your hands up here. You have any weapons on you? Anything that can harm me?
I got a pocket full of nails, a measuring tape, a pencil.
Let me help you out. You can. It's up to you. You can keep that on, or but I wanted to talk to you. I'm going to give you the opportunity
Opportunity to what?
to
To violate my rights?
no. Are you going to keep that on?
Yeah, you're damn right.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Well, then I'm going to explain it to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a fingerprint scanner.
And I'm not going to give you my fingerprint either.
Okay, so listen to me. So when I bring that here, if you come back with something stupid, like a probation warrant, a traffic warrant,
You won't have none of those either.
then
Won't
I'm
have
going to
any.
have to take you in for that.
Okay, and you won't find
You
any
would
of
just
those.
give me your name. And
I'm
your
not giving you anything. You're violating my rights as we speak.
Okay.
You're violating my rights. Matter of fact,
Well, then maybe you should get
I
a
plead the
lawyer
fifth.
and you
No, I
can
don't
get
have to.
some,
I plead the fifth.
money out of it.
I plead the fifth. You know what? Absolutely. What's your guys' name again? Miller
4482.
4482.
Yeah.
And I'm from
So, Mr. Dennis,
321
Dennis, you have. Would you like to provide your name and date of birth for me? Because I don't want to have to take you down to the station. If you're not going to give me your fingerprint either, I'm going to have to. This is going to be a long process.
A long, arduous process.
You're a block away from being where you need to go. So it doesn't really make much sense to me. But if that's the way you want to go, I have no problem taking you to get your ID.
I told you I want to see a supervisor. I've said that
and
several
I'm
times.
not doing it
I
until
said,
get your ID.
So what? I'm not armed.
Okay,
And
but
both
I
of
don't
y'all
know
here
who you
with
are.
guns and
I don't-
tasers, right?
I don't know who you
And
are.
batons and whatever. So you don't know what does that have to do with then you shouldn't be worried about nobody's safety. What? Someone turn up on a terrorist watch list or something? I got a tape measure on an apron from Home Depot
Right.
with
so,
nails in it.
So nobody
So
here.
apparently I'm doing work.
Right. So what's that?
So does that make me armed? You just frisked me.
You're right.
So, unless I'm going to beat you with the belt I got on and whatnot, I'm
Nobody-
pretty much nothing.
Are
I'm
you
not
in
doing
handcuffs?
anything. No, I shouldn't be anyway.
Okay. So what do you?
Am I
what do you-
detained?
Yes.
Am I being
Yes,
detained?
under
Then I don't
doubt.
have nothing else to say.
So you're not.
I
Gonna
don't
make
have nothing else to say. I plead the fifth.
So you're gonna make me take you all the way to 55th.
If you
Pine
need to do
get
that and
your
whatnot,
ID.
I'm going to sue you. I guarantee you that I'm going to sue you.
All right.
I haven't done anything wrong. I'm a passenger. You pull him over. I'm sitting on this side. I didn't do anything wrong. So if he made a traffic infraction or if this car came up some kind of way messed up, which I'm sure it didn't because he's still in there, and he showed you all necessary paperwork that's accompanied with this car, including his driver's license. Yeah, I know he did. So with that in mind, so he's free and clear. What does this traffic stop have to do with me now? Or do I fit the description of somebody?
Now you're just making things.
No, I'm not making this shit up. I'm doing it for the cops. And you're not going to get no information from me to try to ID me either. And no, I don't have any warrants or anything like that. But that's not the point. It's all about principle at this point.
And that's how that video ended. And it is all about principle. So if you're one of those people that when asked for your ID unlawfully by an officer, you say, "Here you go, officer. I don't have anything to hide." What you're really saying is that those of us who don't want to show our IDs must have something to hide. When in actuality, we don't have anything to hide either. We're just trying to preserve the idea of privacy. Here's another example of an officer asking for the passenger's ID. Big takeaway from this one is, keep your seatbelt on till the traffic stop is over if you're a passenger.
Hello, Federal Police, how are you? Your windows are very dark. Okay, there's also a report of sale on this vehicle. Do you have your driver's license or ID? Do you have ID, passenger, since you're not wearing your seatbelt? Okay. Vehicle's running, so you're required to wear your seatbelt. So, do you have ID, passenger? Can you hear me, passenger? Last name, passenger? I'm not accusing you of a crime. You're not wearing a seatbelt. It's an infraction. You're required to give your name, date of birth. I'm sorry? I didn't say you committed a crime. You're committing an infraction, okay? So you're required to give your name and date of birth or provide ID.
Kevin, can you come over here because I'm over here at Federal Way. I'm pulled over after the windows being tinted and the car has been 45 days expired.
Do you have a small warrant or something? I'm sorry? I can't hear you. You got to speak up, man. Okay, then last name, first name, middle initial, date of birth, please.
Yeah, can you
I can't hear you.
What's going on with the car? Because they said that it's not registered to me.
What's that?
I'm over here at Federal Way. No, can you just talk to them and tell them what's going on with the car, please? Can you, excuse me?
5137 code 1.
So my understanding is you're refusing to give your name and date of birth. Is that correct? Okay. You're not wearing your seatbelt.
You just took it off, though.
You're going to go in the store, huh? Okay, you're not even properly parked here.
I know, you didn't get a chance to park right because you had not behind me, so.
Okay. All right. Lots of excuses here. So, just so you know, okay, you might get arrested today for obstruction, for not providing your name and date of birth. So, do I need to tell you a third time your question to that? I'm sorry? I don't understand what you're saying.
Can you please come over here?
You could go over there for me since you decided to get out of the vehicle, especially with that big knife. I'm sorry? I can't hear you, man. Huh? Okay. Hey, could you get, he's fine. Well, just make sure he doesn't get in my car. So you got no ID with you? Okay. Would you be able to get his name? He's hard to understand. Okay. I got her ID, so he's got warrants, I'm sure.
They might not be going to jail today, but they are going to jail tomorrow. Now it's time for the bonus clip. This is Arlington, Texas, and a man ran his car into a building. I had been standing there a whole hour before the supervisor discovered that I was live streaming, and this is what happened next. This guy seems like he should be back. Let's go back to work. He told the guy standing around to get rid of me.
Step over because this right here is the street. I don't want you getting hit.
I'm not going to get hit. I'm a big girl.
Yeah, but we're live
I'm in
before
front
you
of
right
you.
now.
I'm in front of you.
Yeah, that car can move and hit you. So this
Oh, and a comet could fall out and hit you.
yeah, I'm trying to take it politely, but you got to get on one of those sidewalks for me, okay?
Now what? Why? I was here the whole time.
You've been courteous.
I have been courteous, and now you're just going to put your power trip on me, really?
You have to be over there. Sorry about that.
It says you. Is that a lawful order?
Yes, it is. You got to be.
That's a lawful order?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Wow. I knew he had to leave sometime, and finally, he did. Got any complaints against you on paper? Ever lied to the judge? Ever falsify a police report? Ever beat anybody up in handcuffs? Violate rights? When's the last time you took a drug test? Have you been drinking today? Why are you so mad? Is your wife mad at you? Wife or girlfriend, probably. Ever lied to the judge? Ever falsify a police report? Ever beat somebody up in handcuffs? Do you like to power trip on people? I was minding my own business. You had a power trip on me. Let's see what kind of car they gave you. Oh, they gave you a big one. Now you have a nice day. You have a nice day because you got to change your attitude. That's why people don't like you. That's why we don't like the police. Because when you put that suit on, you're blue. Remember where you came from. Thanks for watching, everyone. Buy a membership and help me stay on the road.